Hello, this is my shopping haul, partial. There's a couple items I'll show when I get home because they've been wrapped with care and I don't want to unwrap them before we head home. So we got this popcorn bucket full of popcorn. This is the gift with purchase bag right now. So anytime you make a purchase, you can buy one of these bags for $15. So I got a couple as gifts for people, and then they're really cool. I loved my Halloween one. I think the Christmas one is really neat. I got this Oogie Boogie Christmas stocking. This is where you stuff the goodies. Poncho that we ended up never using. A gingerbread cookie from the Polynesian Resort. These are cookies that we got. We haven't ate yet. Snowball cookies and a stolen cookie. Just some little rice candy from the Japanese gift shop. Some Japanese cakes. I have no idea what they are, but they looked intriguing. Got me a date book for next year. I got this necklace I meant to wear tonight at the park, and I completely forgot. It is a light up little Mickey candies. Another gingerbread cookie. This one is from the Riviera. I actually had a third gingerbread cookie that I already ate half of, and that was from the Boardwalk. And of course, we did the scavenger hunt, and so this was the scavenger hunt prize. We bought this Scream container, which is a water bottle, and then I bought these ornaments for my sister as a Christmas present. And here's another Christmas present in here and another bigger item. When I get home, I'll unwrap them and show them. So really, it is a very small shopping haul. Definitely, we didn't buy much this trip besides food. We bought a lot of food, but just didn't really buy much. There was some ornaments that we were planning on getting, but they were sold out. There was another popcorn bucket I wanted, but they were sold out. So yeah. Oh, wait. My other splurge item, which actually, because it's a little cold here, I forgot about this. This counts. I spent money on it. This really cool jacket. It is a black Mickey jacket. You can see it's embroidered with Mickey heads. Nice lining, and then little Mickey ears on the hood. So yeah, bought that too. So that's it. That's all we bought. Good morning. This is the rest of my shopping haul. We got home from Florida yesterday. I unpacked and did the laundry last night. And these are the items that were breakable that I didn't show in the hotel room because they were wrapped up by Disney staff. This one had a whole bunch of tissue paper around it. And this made it home safely in my checked luggage. It is a musical nutcracker. There is a music wind-up feature on the bottom. It winds up and these nutcrackers move. The little drummer boy moves. This guy moves, and this drummer boy moves. Pretty darn cool. This was at the Christmas shop at Magic Kingdom. This is $100. Pretty expensive, but we love it. We love Small World. We just love nutcrackers, and so we're like, okay, this is our treat for ourselves this year. And so we bought this. I'm gonna take it out of the box, but I wanna be really careful because I wanna keep the box too. And then these are the other two items I didn't show. So the employees did wrap it up in like this. I don't know. When she started wrapping it up, I didn't say anything. They're tins. I don't think it really would have got damaged, but hey, if she wanted to give it a little extra wrapping, go for it. This is the same thing. It is a music feature at the bottom. Not that this is the same thing. I just meant this is also a musical item. So this is a tree. So you wind it. Don't know if I can do it. There we go. And it's also a tin full of shortbread cookies, and it's just got all these cool stuff on it. So one is for me and one is for my sister, and that is it. That's all we bought. Definitely not one of our biggest shopping trips, but I don't know, we still had a lot of fun. It was a great vacation. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and stay safe. See you later.